What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, the Secretary General of the ANC was talking about Mbuyiseni Ndlozi and whether the ANC is trying to lure Mbuyiseni Ndlozi to the ANC. In that regard, Fikile Mbalula actually acknowledged that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is an honorable man and he is a good leader in society and has a lot to offer to the people of South Africa. And he is actually very valuable. And the good thing was that I saw that Fikile Mbalula did not dismiss the idea that the ANC is trying to lure Mbuyiseni Ndlozi to the ANC. The door is actually open for Mbuyiseni Ndlozi to join the ANC. So to me, this speech by Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, it appeared as like a recruitment campaign, is to more like trying to assure Mbuyiseni Ndlozi that we want you at the ANC. Because maybe Mbuyiseni Ndlozi might be having second thoughts about whether he is going to be valued or not by the ANC. Well, there is the confirmation from the Secretary General. He just said that Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is a valuable person. And with that, there is not any need for Mbuyiseni Ndlozi to doubt whether he will be valued or not. It's now guaranteed. So this definitely was like a recruitment campaign by Fikile Mbalula. And what's even more, Fikile Mbalula also went on to claim that Dr. Ndlozi was kicked out of the EFF. Well, we know that Ndlozi was not dismissed from the EFF. He just resigned voluntarily from parliament. So he was like saying, Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, you've been removed from EFF and you need a new home. And us, the ANC, is your new home. So if I'm to dream, if I'm to be allowed to dream and imagine as much as possible, I would definitely like Mbuyiseni Ndlozi to be made the mayor of Johannesburg. If he gets that position, it would be so wonderful. Because the way I see it, Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, definitely he is an honorable man and a man of value and principles.